Wong, 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 wong. I now knight thee, Sir Coco, knight of the round cage. Yes. Wrong, Coco. I am your father. Wong, 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 wong. Ooh, I see the force is strong with you. Darth Vader had really bad asthma, I guess. Wong, wong. The force is strong with this one. Or either is really fat. Wong, wong, wong.